Welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant. Now, DAP is a membership and LMS plugin for WordPress. When someone subscribes to your products, your courses, your memberships, or whatever you offer from your membership site, you can get DAP to add these users to your email platform, to the right list, with the right tag, and all that stuff. DAP comes with a built-in automation engine. It's really easy to use, and you can use it to connect DAP with your email platform. DAP integrates with all leading email platforms. And even if there is no direct integration, you can connect DAP using an automation platform such as Zapier or Pabbly Connect. DAP integrates with all of these different automation platforms. You can use it to connect DAP to your email platform, right? So there is a way to connect even if there is no direct integration. So what I want to do today is take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use DAP's automation engine to connect DAP to your email platform. Yesterday, someone was having email deliverability issues and their hosting was not sending the emails. So what happens is, typically, in a membership site, when you install DAP, DAP is an email client. DAP is not an email server, right? So it uses your hosting's SMTP service to send emails. That's what happens by default. However, if you're on a hosting with email issues and email deliverability issues, then you're going to have a situation where your members are going to say they're not getting the emails or they're not getting the emails consistently. So when you have these kinds of email issues, the best option is to just completely bypass your hosting. And there are two different options, actually. You can use an SMTP service, such as Amazon SES or Opt SMTP. SendGrid, one of these, to send emails, because DAP will allow you to enter your SMTP credentials, and you can connect DAP to an external SMTP service to send emails, right? That's one way you can do it. But if you don't want to connect to an SMTP service and you already have an email marketing platform such as Aweber or ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailerLite, you can directly integrate it. And you can connect DAP to your email platform and you can send all the emails from your email platform. So that's what I want to show you today. Yesterday, someone said they're using MailerLite, but they didn't know how to get MailerLite to send the welcome email. There is a way to even send the welcome email from your email platform. You can get DAP to send the membership credentials to your email platform and send all the emails directly from your email platform. Today, I'll show you how to do this with MailerLite using DAP's powerful automation engine, how you can get DAP to add users to your list in MailerLite and send all the emails, including the welcome email, directly from MailerLite. But even if you don't use MailerLite, it's the same steps, right? Doesn't matter what email platform you use. In my case, I use Aweber, and I send welcome email directly from DAP because I use a good hosting. I don't have email issues, but I also add users to Aweber so I can send broadcast emails and follow-up emails from Aweber. So you can do it both ways. You can get DAP to send the emails. You can get DAP to add users to your email platform and send all the emails from your email platform. So today I'll show you how you can use DAP and how you can connect DAP to your email platform. And then you can decide what emails you want to send from there, but I'll show you how to send all the emails from your email platform. Let's take a look. So today I'm going to show you how you can integrate DAP with MailerLite, and you can follow the same steps as I mentioned to connect with whatever email platform you want to use. You can see their pricing, and this is what they have currently. And so you can check out their site for latest details, but you can see there is a free tier and they support up to 1,000 subscribers for free as part of their free tier. And you can send up to 12,000 monthly emails for free. Pretty awesome, right? So that's MailerLite, and I've only heard good things about MailerLite, even though I don't use it personally. I still use Aweber, but it's a great platform, especially if you're starting out and want to keep your costs low. It's a great platform to start with. So you can sign up for MailerLite and then log in, and you will see there is integrations right here. Click on it, and this is where you'll find your API key. And this is something you will need for all the email platforms. You'll have to log in to whatever platform you use and figure out where they have their API key information and get that, because you will need to insert that in DAP. And this is something you just have to do once to connect the two, right? Connect DAP with your email platform. You just have to enter this once so DAP knows how to connect with your email platform. So you got to just do this once. So log into your email platform and find out where they have all this API information and get it. All right. So in MailerLite's case, under integrations, you can click on use. Here it says no API tokens yet. Click on it and enter any name you want here. And it'll give you a unique key here, right? Copy this and insert this in DAP. So let's go back to DAP now and go to products. Click on manage automations. This is the backend of DAP. And here where it says add a new external connection, click on it. And say add a new external connection, select, this one will select MailerLite, enter the API key that you got, and save it. That's it, all right? So this is saved. So now DAP knows how to connect, how to talk to your MailerLite account. So this part is done. So now you can go to DAP Manage Automations page, and you can build out your automations. So here you can see, this is the DAP automations page. You can go to products, manage automations, and this is where we clicked on this button right here to connect it, right? We have done the connection already. So now you can start connecting your products, your memberships, your courses, your downloads, whatever you want to connect, whatever products you want to connect, you can connect it using the automation engine. So click on product automation. It will bring you to a page like this. Select the product that you want to connect. All right. So say that I don't have any products here. This is just a demo site. I'm just going to select this one, the first one, start automation, and add a trigger. So trigger is what should trigger this automation? When someone gets access, which means someone registers or signs up for this product, or when someone cancels their subscription. So in this case, what I want to do is someone gets access, right? When someone signs up for this product, whether it's a paid product or free product, doesn't matter. You can do it for both. Then I want to trigger this automation. So user receives access. So trigger is set, add an action. So action is select destination. So I'm going to select MailerLite here. What should happen when someone signs up for the product? So what I want to do is I want to add them to my group that I have created in MailerLite. So you can say add to group. Right now I just have a test group in MailerLite. So if you want to use MailerLite, obviously you got to create your groups in MailerLite, right? I have just one test group here. You can see under subscribers, under groups, I just have a test group here. You can add your group here, and DAP will add your subscribers to the right group, and then you can do whatever automations they allow you to do. I'm just going to select the group here. So the two things you need to do, right, before you connect DAP or use DAP's automation engine is number one, get the API key, right, from your email platform, whatever platform you want to use, get the API details, and then you need to create your email list or your group. Whatever that email platform requires you to do, you need to create that, right? And then you can get DAP's automation engine to automatically add users to the right list or the right group in your email platform. So in this case, I just have one group. So I'm just going to select test. And do you want to send membership password? I'm going to set this to yes. It's very important that you read this information right here if you want to send the membership password. It says, if you want to send password to MailerLite, make sure to create a custom field called password, right? Uppercase P, called password in MailerLite. DAP membership password will be stored in that field in MailerLite. I'm going to go ahead and save this. So we have added this automation, right? I still need to create that field called password. I'll show you how to do this. You can add as many automations as you want, right? You can add multiple actions. So when someone gets access to this product, you can add them to a specific group. You can remove them from specific group. You can add them to a different platform if you want to. There are so many options here, right? You can keep building your automation rules here. You can also add additional triggers here. You can say, when someone loses access, meaning if they are canceling the subscription, what should happen? I want them to be removed from my group in MailerLite, right? So I want to remove them from the same group that they got access to because they had signed up for it. So they get access, they are added to this group. And then another trigger here I have added to say if they lose access, meaning they are canceling their subscription, I want them to be removed from that group. That's up to you. You can build your automation however you want, whatever you want it to do. So I have created it. The only thing left to do, as I said, is the password. I need to add a custom field in MailerLite so DAP can add the membership password and add it to that field in MailerLite. So let's do this in MailerLite. So here under subscribers, you can see it says fields, and go there, and here you can add a password field. You can see these are the default fields that are already there. I'm going to click on create a field, call it password. What type of field is this? There are only three options. I'm just going to say text and create it. All right, that's it. So now the password is going to be sent, and this is the merge tag you can use in the emails that you send from MailerLite. It will have the user's password, right? So now what will happen is if someone signs up for your products in DAP, DAP will add them to MailerLite to the right, in this case group, right? To the right group, and the subscriber will be assigned the password that you have in DAP. And when you are sending a welcome email directly from MailerLite, you can let them know, here's your email ID, which is the email ID they used to make the purchase, right? The main email ID. And here's your password. And this is a merge tag you can use to send them the password. All right, that's how this works. So now let me quickly show you how you can send the welcome email with the login details from your email platform. So this is MailerLite, and this is the welcome email template I'm using, and you can use whatever template you like. The main thing is the merge tags, right? So you can see here, this is the email template. And here to the right, you can see they have this variable, right? Click on it and you will see how you can send the password, how you can send the email. These are the fields that hold that information. So email and password. That's what I'm doing. You can click on it and it will be added here. You can see I have added it here. So log in here. Your email is this. Your password is this. Because what would have happened is when users subscribe to DAP through the automation engine, DAP will add them to the right group in MailerLite. And then you can get MailerLite to send them the login details because you have created the password field in MailerLite and you have configured DAP to send the password to it, right? So this is how this integration works. So when someone subscribes, they will get an email directly from your email platform with their login details. You don't have to send it from DAP. If you want to send it directly from your email platform, this is how you can do it. Now let me take you to the back end. And here under the products, memberships, I was just using this product for this demo, right? I'm going to click on it. This is a subscription product, an example product in DAP. And price, I'm going to set the right price, say $10 here. So this is the product builder, membership builder in DAP. And the email notifications tab, this is where you can configure DAP to send the welcome email. And you can see here is the email that DAP is sending. And DAP will connect to your hosting's email SMTP server to send the email. So here what I'm going to do is turn off the welcome email because I don't want DAP to send it. I want DAP to add the subscriber to MailerLite. And then I want to send the welcome email from MailerLite with the login details. So whatever email you want DAP to send, you can turn it off if you don't want DAP to send it. All right, I'm going to do that now. Save it. So now DAP will not send it because you're going to send it from your email platform. Right, we have already connected this product through the automation engine to MailerLite, right? We did that in the products, manage automations, right here under product automation. Let me select this and show you again. This is what we did. If users receive access to this example product, I want to add them to this group in MailerLite, right? And here we have also said, do you want to send membership password? Yes, right? And so we have created the password field and you can do that here. When you click on it, it will let you select this option, which is what I have done. So now let's go ahead and test it and see what happens. So I'm going to go to DAP members, add page, because I want to just test it. So I don't have to make a real purchase to test it. I can just give access through the backend and it will trigger the same automation flow. So I can do it this way. So members add. So here I'm going to select this product because this is the one for which I have set up the automation. Now DAP should add this subscriber to MailerLite to the right group with the password. Let's go ahead and check it. All right, you can see here, this user is here already and an email was sent to this user. Let's go ahead and check if I got the welcome email. And if you click on this user, you can see what the password is and if it was sent successfully. Right here, you can see email and password. DAP has sent the membership password to MailerLite. And now I should have received a welcome email from MailerLite with my login details. Let's take a look. This is just a test email, you can see. I haven't updated anything, but I got the password directly from MailerLite. That's it. This is how it works and super simple. You can do this with whatever email platform you want to use. Automation at its best, right? Your users are getting access to your membership platform and you are sending the welcome email with the login details from your email platform. And you don't have to worry about your hosting's email deliverability issues because you're bypassing it and directly sending it from your email platform. As you can see, DAP's automation engine is very powerful and really easy to use. You can use it to connect DAP to any email platform, or you can connect DAP to an automation platform such as Zapier, Pabbly Connect, whatever platform you want to use. We have different videos where you can see how to connect DAP through an automation platform to your email platform. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. I'll be back soon with more. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you will be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.